Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to close all running apps on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to close all running apps on your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. So now to do that you have to swipe up from this bottom of your iPhone and hold up for 1 or 2 seconds and you'll get all the running app or apps feature. Now you can easily close them. Simply swipe them up and the app will be closed. You can close multiple apps using your two fingers or just like that, and you can close multiple apps using these two fingers. Or if you want to close all running apps from your background that you want to block access of your apps to run in background, you have to simply open the settings app here, go for general here go for background app refresh, and from here you can easily close background access of every app that you want, but I recommend you have to only block background app refresh for your unnecessary apps, just like these apps. So you don't have to block or disable the setting for your social media apps. It will not update your app's messages. So in this way, you can easily close all running apps on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.